Are you tall or short? I'm tall. Am I tall or short? You are tall. Do you live in a city, a town, or a village? I live in a city. Do you want to live in New York City? Yes, I want to live in New York City. Are there a lot of tall buildings in New York City? Yes, there are a lot of tall buildings in New York City. Are there a few tall buildings in New York City? No, there aren't a few tall buildings in New York City. There are many. Do you want to live in a tall apartment building? Yes, I want to live in a tall apartment building. Do you want to live in a small house in a village? No, I don't want to live in a small house in a village. Are there many tall apartment buildings in villages? No, there aren't many tall apartment buildings in villages. Does your apartment building have an elevator? Yes, my apartment building has an elevator. How many elevators does your apartment building have? My apartment building has 3 elevators. Do you take the elevator every day? Yes, I take the elevator every day. Do you like to sleep in an elevator? No, I don't like to sleep in an elevator. Do you like to eat soup in an elevator? Oh no, I don't like to eat soup in an elevator. Do tall business centers have elevators? Yes, tall business centers have elevators. Do you live on the first floor? No, I don't live on the first floor. Do you live on the second floor? No, I don't live on the second floor. Do you live on the third floor? No, I don't live on the third floor. Which floor do you live on? I live on the 8th floor. Do you want to live on the 80th floor? No, I don't want to live on the 80th floor. Do you want to live on the 100th floor? No, I don't want to live on the 100th floor. Do you take the elevator to the 19th floor? Yes, I take the elevator to the 19th floor. Do you take the elevator to the 10th floor, or do you take the stairs? I take the elevator to the 10th floor. I don't take the stairs. Do you take the stairs to the 15th floor? No, I don't take the stairs to the 15th floor. What do you take to the 15th floor? I take the elevator to the 15th floor. Do you take the elevator to the 2nd floor? No, I don't take the elevator to the 2nd floor. What do you take to the 2nd floor? I take the stairs to the second floor. Do you go to work every day? No, I don't go to work every day. On which days do you go to work? I go to work Monday through Friday. Does your workday begin at 9 p.m.? No, my workday doesn't begin at 9 p.m. What time does your workday begin? My workday begins at 9 a.m. Do you eat breakfast before your workday begins? Yes, I eat breakfast before my workday begins. What do you like to eat for breakfast? I like to eat salad for breakfast. What time do you come to work Monday through Friday? I come to work at 9 a.m. Monday through Friday. What time do you come home from work on Wednesday? I come home from work at 8 p.m. on Wednesday. What time do you come home from work on Friday? I come home from work at 8 p.m. on Friday. Are you hungry when you come home from work? Yes, I'm hungry when I come home from work. When you are hungry, do you want to drink? No, when I'm hungry, I don't want to drink. When you're hungry, do you want to eat? Yes, when I'm hungry, I want to eat. What do you want to do when you're hungry? I want to eat when I'm hungry. What do you want to do when you're thirsty? I want to drink when I'm thirsty. What do you like to drink when you're thirsty? I like to drink water when I'm thirsty. Do elevators go up and down? Yes, elevators go up and down. Do elevators only go down? No, elevators don't only go down, they go up and down. Do elevators only go up? No, elevators don't only go up, they go up and down. Where do elevators go? Elevators go up and down. Do you like to take the stairs after heavy dinner? No, I don't like to take the stairs after heavy dinner. Do you eat junk food every day? No, I don't eat junk food every day. Do you like to eat junk food for breakfast? No, I don't like to eat junk food for breakfast. Do you eat junk food after you come home from work? No, I don't eat junk food after I come home from work. Is junk food healthy? No, junk food isn't healthy.